Hi friends, it's Emma here. Today we are going to draw a beautiful outfit together. Let's start right away. First, I will draw the shirt. It's a simple shirt but will look so nice when we add color. Next is a pleated skirt that looks so fluffy and fun. And of course, we can't forget a little star right in the middle of the shirt. Now the sketch is ready. Let's outline it so everything looks neat and clear before we color. Wow! Rainbow colors will make this outfit shine so bright. Yellow. I'll start with a star. I'm coloring it yellow because stars always look beautiful in yellow. Orange. Now for the shirt. I'll use orange. Such a happy and warm color. Let's color carefully so we don't get into the star. A little more on the right sleeve. There, perfect. Blue. For the belt, I'll choose blue. It makes a nice contrast with the orange shirt. Color quickly and outline again to make it neat. Red. Now for my favorite part, the skirt. We'll color it in rainbow order. First is red, so bold and full of energy. Orange. Then orange, looking warm and sunny. Yellow. Next is yellow, making the skirt shine even more. Green. Right in the middle, we'll add green, so fresh and lively. after that is blue, calm and cool. Pink. Then pink, sweet like candy. Purple. And finally purple, mysterious yet beautiful. Doesn't it look amazing? I love rainbow colors so much. All done. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.